Hello guys, Ilya here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix filters not showing problem on TikTok. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So all we need is just to open our TikTok right up here and then just open our profile. Hit the profile icon in the right bottom corner right up here to open this page. Then click on more in the right top corner on these three lines to open this toggle menu, choose settings and privacy. Scroll down to find report a problem, click on it. Then choose videos and sounds in topics area. Click. New page is right up here and we need to choose like video shooting. So after that, basically we can click on other or choose beauty, filters, effects and templates. So after that we can click like something like this. I want new filters or effects. I will just click on other here. So after that we'll go to this page, choose no and then just click on need more help. So this is our report a problem page. Here we need to explain our problem to TikTok support team. Write something like this. Hi, I need to fix filters not showing for me. Hi, I need to fix filters not showing for me. Help me please. So after that just click on submit. We can also add some images here if you want to like explain it more deeply. So just click on submit and in a few maybe days or hours even the TikTok support will help us. They will send us the instruction we need to do to fix it from our side, or they will fix it from their side, just it will be like automatically fixed. So guys, this is the one way how you can fix filter not showing for you on TikTok. I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch my other tutorials. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.